G'day folks, it's Laura here. Today I'm going to be making up new cell activator, and I'm using the standard formula, and that is essentially 1 part Amsterdam Titanium white and 4 parts Floetrol, and this is the Australian Flood brand of Floetrol, which is essentially a paint conditioner. So all I need to do here is, so I've got these 2 empty or just about empty bottles that I've been using. These are typical sauce squeeze bottles, and I've marked off on here, these are only about 400 ml bottles, so I've marked off on here a 1 part to 4 parts ratio on this bottle, so I actually just need to add the Amsterdam paint down to this line. Now it can be a little bit difficult if you've still got paint on the inside, on the edges of these containers. So what I'm going to do to start with is just take these lids off, and you can see there's a little bit of sediment just sitting in the bottom there still. I don't think we need to worry too much about that. So the proportions that we need for this mix aren't all that precise, they don't need to be absolutely exact. So with this Amsterdam Titanium white, and you can see the Titanium white is listed just here. This is a very large bottle. So I get my mark here, and I'm just going to actually add this paint. So I'll pause there for a moment. Just have a little bit of a look inside. So when I level that out, that should be just about at the level that I want it at. And I'll do the same for the other bottle. Okay, I think we're going okay here. Still needs a little bit more. And I think that's about right. So I'll close off this bottle and store it upside down so that that paint can actually come down. And I don't know whether you can quite see here, maybe you can against the light at the background, but it is at that level. Okay, so the next step is just adding the Floetrol up to the 400 ml mark, which is actually indented on the side of the bottle here. So I've given this bottle of Floetrol a little bit of a mix already. And there we are, going up the side, up to the 400 ml mark. Might not be able to see exactly, but we have it at the top there. This one might be slightly easier to see. And there we go. So all I need to do now is actually mix these bottles of cell activator really well. Try to suspend that paint within the Floetrol. And then of course, being squeeze bottles, they've got a lovely handy cap, which makes it very easy to apply when I'm making a pour, or adding the cell activator to a cup, or just actually adding it to a palette knife. And there we go. Thank you very much for watching.